My name is Jess and I am the CEO and founder of Bella Beauty College. I found myself being drawn to beauty education back many years ago after having built a successful career through running beauty salons, and later found I had a real passion for helping people and watching them transform their life through a career in beauty. Now let's talk about the lashes. I am a little bit biased towards our eyelash extension courses because not only did I build all of the content and techniques myself, but lashes is where I personally built my career in the beauty space. So trust me, I know firsthand the benefits of mastering this skill and the possibilities it unlocks once you complete the training. I have always believed it's really important to learn from someone who has done what you want to do and has achieved what you want to achieve. So when it comes to our eyelash extension courses, I've got you covered. In this dynamic lash bundle, we have included all of our certificates in eyelash extensions, enabling you to master classic, volume, mega volume, and hybrid lashes, while also having the added benefit of your lash lift and tint certificate. This means, regardless of the client's specific desire when it comes to a particular look for their lashes, you will be confident knowing you can choose and perform the best service required to achieve the look they have requested. It also allows you to service a younger clientele, such as the high school student who often will go for a more subtle look, such as the lash lift and tint, and also your regular clients who may want to give the eyelash extensions a break for a period of time. Upon enrolment, you will instantly gain access to our VIP student support group, where you can post photos and videos and ask questions and network with other people doing the same course as you. We also have tutors in there 6 days per week who will provide feedback on your work and make sure that none of your questions go unanswered. Your tutors are also available for private training sessions via phone, email, and even video calls as often as you need them. We provide a free kit with all of our courses filled with only the best known brands in the industry, so you can follow along with the same products we are using in your video tutorials and complete your assessments with the ease of using great quality products. We have a full range of products in our online store, so you can replenish things as often as you need and provide a certificate once you complete your training. The best part about this course is no previous experience is required. So with the help and experience of myself and the Bella Beauty College team, you can start right away and be running your own successful beauty business in a short few weeks. Invest in one of my courses and I will personally show you how to build your own 6-figure income, all while working from home.